Greetings, I'm Barbara J. Faison, your mindfulness and meditation ambassador with this Be Mindful Sit. And today we're going to just sit for about a minute or so and we'll tune into our sense of, guess what? Hearing. Why? Because there is a lawnmower in the background, which is a perfect opportunity for us to practice, because meditation meets life every day. And guess what? We're not always going to be able to find a place to sit and be quiet. So what we've got to practice is being at peace wherever we are. So let's begin. And today we're just going to sit. We're not going to have a tone. I'm just going to have you breathe in, breathe out. Just place your hand in the center of your chest. And if you'd like to lower your eyes, you can. Just breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. And tune in to what you hear close by. Notice any sensations in your body as you're hearing whatever is in your environment or possibly mine. And now let's just focus on what we hear further in the distance. Just fine-tuning that sense of hearing for something that may be further away than what's right at you. And connecting with your body to see if any sensations arise and how you feel. Now you can relax your hand and take a deep breath in through your nose and leave with an audible sigh. Let go. Open your eyes. Just take a quick look around. Notice how you feel in your body. You did it. You did a quick Be Mindful Sit where you focused on your hearing and you took a little bit of time for self-care today. I thank you for joining me. Let me know how you feel, how that felt. And a hummingbird is flying by. Yay! Thank you, hummingbird. Be well.